Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here today. My name is Muhammad Fakir Najmi bin Muhammad Hari. I and my group here today to talk to you about our final year project, that is room quality air monitoring system. An air purifier or air cleaner is a device which remove contaminant from the air in a room to improve indoor air quality. So our project is based on air purifier system, because air purifier basically remove a dust from the air. Among the problem, we encountered that people basically know they were surrounded by untidy air, but they do not know the specific quantity of that. So we have 5 objectives to produce this project. That is to design and fabricate indoor air quality monitoring system, to design and fabricate room temperature and relative humidity monitoring system, to design and fabricate room particle matter monitoring system, to design and fabricate room CO2 monitoring system, and lastly to store all the sensor data to reading into the IoT platform.
The next slide is about scope of the project. Our project is made suitable for use in room with a size of 10 x 10 feet. Other than that, it's perfectly for tropical weather in Malaysia. The weather is never too hot and the temperatures range from a mild 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius average throughout of the year. Next is for range temperature sensor is 0 to 100%, and for range of particulate matter sensor is 0 to 100 microgram, and for range of CO2 sensor 0 ppm to 1000 ppm. Literature review. Activated charcoal. Use activated charcoal as a natural air purifier. A fantastic way to purify indoor is with activated charcoal, also referred to as active carbon. Temperature sensor. A temperature sensor is a device, typically a thermocouple of RTD, that provide for temperature measurement through an electrical signal. Humidity sensor. A ratio of a current absolute humidity to the highest possible absolute humidity, which depends on the current air temperature. CO2 sensor. The carbon dioxide sensor or CO2 sensor is an instrument for the measurement of carbon dioxide gas. It's the most common principle for CO2 sensor are infrared gas sensor. Arduino Uno, open source electronic platform based on the easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read input lights on a sensor, and a finger on a button turn it into an output, and also activating a motor, turning on a LED, publishing something online. Particulate matter sensor. Estimation of the amount of the soot accumulated in a diesel particulate filter in order to utilize accurate diesel particulate filter generation strategies. Power supply box, 12 voltage, 10 ampere. An electrical device that supplies electric power to an electric load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current and frequency to the power load. DC fan motor. Induce a rotation movement in the machine by electromagnetism. DC motor have inductors electromagnet within them that create a magnetic field that aids the rotation of the motor.
So today I will explain about our final design and procedure. Firstly, I explain about our final design. So this design we can see from 3 view, which is angle view, forward view, and last one is side view. Next, I will explain about our procedure. First of all, we design the final form, and then after finish it, we bought the PVC pipe and build the body frame. After that, we bought the DC fan motor and attach to the body frame, and we bought the activate charcoal and attach inside the body frame. After that, we bought the sensor Arduino board and coding the IoT. Then we attach with the plastic board, and then we fit the body frame. We also attach electric component and the supply board. Last, we activate IoT chip to the body and connect the power supply. In the end of the project, we test our project and run and collect data based on the test. That's all about procedure. For your information, we spent 757 ringgit 40 cents to finish our project successfully.
Okay, next we go to result and data. After running through a few tests using the prototype design, we were able to state that our project could be a successful one. Firstly, we tried the strength of the infra board. Second, the blowing power of the DC engine fan. Third, types of carbon filter to be utilized conjointly evaluated some of dust that we filtered amid the method. We also found that the PVC pipe is able to hold the infra board from the vibrator. All these tests came out with a positive result. Okay, after that we go to discussion. While going through the process to make the prototype, we found a few problems. First of all, we weren't able to draw the accurate design in the AutoCAD software, so we decided to watch tutorial on YouTube. As we learn the video combining with the knowledge we already had, and we finally can draw the design accurately. Next, we have a lack of equipment in cutting the hole of infra board and cracking the PVC pipe. The solution that we chose is to borrow the equipment from our good friend. We recommend that our project can be used in commercial and indoor activities, also accept that our project will be accepted by Polytechnic and gain place in MathSpec. For further usage, our concept project should be modified into a compact design and more eco-friendly. Arduino should be installing in a suitable place and must be encouraged to be used today. That's all the discussion that I had from this project. In conclusion, overall design is combine of mechanical device with electronic sensor component. This specific design has reduced the spread of dust during breathing, but not only that, it is able to reduce the ambient temperature too. In addition, the objective of this design to minimize the spread of dust and making them know what is in the surrounding air. Last but not least, the product is simplistic design, making it easy to operate it. Furthermore, this product could be sold to many industrial companies, help to make the house clean and reduce respiratory disease. We hope that this basic concept would be considered to be manufactured. That's all from our group. Thank you.